In this video, we are going to solve the questions based on the similar triangles. Now here the question is, in the given figure, XY is given parallel to BC and AX is given 3 centimeters, XB is given 1.5 centimeters and BC is given 6 centimeters. Fine. He wants us to calculate AY upon YC and then XY, right? So here, since it is given that XY is parallel to BC, therefore AX upon XB will be equal to AY upon YC. Why? Basic proportionality theorem, we have done that, right? Now, AX is given 3, XB is given 1.5, that is equal to AY upon YC. If we remove this, this will become 30 upon 15 is equal to AY upon YC. So 15 2s are, so 2 upon Y is equal to AY upon YC. So we have answered the first part of the question. Now we have to find XY. For that we will prove triangle AXY similar to triangle ABC, right? Then after that, if the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. That's how we will find the value of XY. So let's prove these two triangles similar. So we will write in triangle AXY. So you have to take the same order. So and A, B, because this angle is equal to this angle in triangles AXY and AB, Y is equal to C. So here we will write C. You will write angle A is equal to angle A. Why? Reason? Common, because that is common in both the triangles. Then angle AXY, that is this angle, is equal to this angle. That's why we have written them in order, because when we set the proportionality between the two triangles, that time it will be easier for us to set that proportionality. Then AXY is equal to angle ABC. Reason? Because XY is parallel to BC. So these two are corresponding angles. Fine. So therefore triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABC by AA axiom. That's how we will write this. So when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So can I write now AX upon AB is equal to XY upon BC is equal to AY upon AC. So that is why when I write this in order, I can set this proportionality easily, right? Now I have to find XY. So I will choose these two. So I will write AX upon AB is equal to XY upon BC. I have the value for AX, that is 3. My AB will be 3 plus 1.5, AX plus XB. So 3 plus 1.5 equal to XY, I have to calculate upon BC. What is my BC? BC is given 6, right? Now I can cross multiply, or I will write it like this: 6 upon 4.5 into 6, 3 upon 4.5 into 6 is equal to my XY, right? So point will go, it will be 30 upon 45 into 6 is equal to XY. So 3 10s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 3 2s are. So your XY is equal to 4 centimeters, right?